Guys, it's your girl Key. Thanks for clicking on me. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Kila's Marketing, where I review IT and cloud-based products. I also give you daily tips and tricks on how to make money online. So if you're interested in making money online, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel, please. Like, comment, and subscribe so YouTube will know that my videos, the content that I am creating, is super duper helpful, and it will push my content out to viewers like you and me who's looking to make money online with affiliate marketing for beginners. Okay, this is super duper beginner friendly. I'm going to do my best to teach it as simple and possible as I can be, because I know it's a lot of affiliate marketers out here that's teaching affiliate marketing and they're being around the freaking bush. I'm not being around the bush. I'm going to keep it straightforward with you guys so you can easily understand. Bro, I've been studying affiliate marketing for 2+ years now, and I have gotten the best recipe for a success, I feel like. So let's get into it all right now, and make sure you stay to the end so you will not miss a thing, okay? Did I say like, comment, subscribe? I don't know, but yes, do it if you haven't done it now. But let's get into the video for real this time. All right, guys, in this video, I'm going to be telling you how you can start affiliate marketing. I'm going to put it as super duper plain and simple as I can. So first and foremost, you have to find a niche. I made a previous video in which I will be posting right here, niches in which you will be able to make a profitable income when you use these niches, okay? Because these are evergreen niches. So you find a niche. For example, you can be in fitness. All right, so find a niche in fitness, and then you look for offers in fitness. To look for offers, to find offers, you can go on platforms such as ClickBank and sign up for absolutely free, and look go to the category on the left hand side and find the niche in fitness and look up the top performing products. They have digital products and they have physical products, okay? You're going to find them, and then you're going to access your affiliate link. You're going to save, copy and paste, and save it somewhere, maybe in Google Docs or Google Calendars. And then you're going to get access to your affiliate page, in which they have email swipes, they have videos. They also are giving out free ebooks too in your affiliate page, so you can have a better conversion rate when it comes down to you promoting these affiliate offers. Because who don't like free stuff? Some of these people are giving out free ebooks to their diet plan or to their teas or to whatever workout plans they have going on. If you give out this valuable information and add links in those ebooks or in those files, you will be easily making money online just by sitting on your behind and giving out valuable information. So all you have to do is, after you find your niche, after you find a product, you have to set up your integrations and set up your automations when it comes down to email marketing. You have to capture these emails, and the way you capture those emails is, like I said, by giving out that free, whatever it is, that ebook, that planner, whatever the vendor has gave you to promote the offer. Use that, okay, as a freebie. They have bonuses. Use those bonuses. Give those bonuses out first, and then add your link into it, okay? To promote it, you go on social media. Social media is not just to see what your uncle and aunties are doing, okay? Social media is a big online marketing platform. It's big on sales, okay, guys? You put out valuable information in your niche in fitness, and you go and find people that is interested in what you are promoting. So go in groups, look at groups, and make sure you are using the right hashtags when it comes down to you promoting and just writing valuable content every day, and making sure that you are giving a clear call to action, okay? Give a clear call to action so you can write a post if you want a free ebook and how to lose 5 pounds in like 10 days, you can hit me up in the DMs or something like that, and people will respond because they are looking for stuff like that. Once you be in the groups that people are interested in, they will reply to you. They will respond to you because they have, well, you have something that they are looking for. All right. So you get all that together. You have your emails put together. You have to pre-write your emails, and you give out valuable information like maybe 4 to 5 days, and then you give out a promotion. You put out an email marketing, which you directly send that out one day of like 1 to 3 to 4 times a month of promoting your product and your offer. But make sure you are giving out more value than you are promoting your business. Okay, you have to give, then you will receive. Do not be a sleazy online person when it comes down to you trying to get sales. No, make sure you give out as much valuable as possible so people can trust you. Okay, so people can come to you and back to you. All right, so guys, that is how you like basically do affiliate marketing, guys. If I give out any kind of valuable information, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel, okay, to let YouTube know that I am pushing and promoting and creating valuable content so people like you and me can like see this video and I can help somebody. All right, if you are looking for a more effective way to make money online, check out the link down there to get your free course in affiliate marketing. Okay guys, I will totally see you in my next video.